Welcome everyone and thank you for being here. Today's presentation is a celebration of African elegance, unity and luxury fashion. What you're about to see is not just an outfit display, but a powerful expression of culture, confidence and refined style through Ankara fashion for couples. Ankara has always been a symbol of African identity. It tells our stories, reflects our heritage and connects generations. In this showcase, Ankara stepped into a new space, the space of high-class fashion and global luxury. Every outfit you see here is carefully designed to look rich, polished and timeless. Let's begin with the women's styling. Notice the beautiful tailored Ankara gowns, the shine of the fabric and the extreme sculpted headwraps. These headwraps are designed like wearable art, bold, elegant and powerful, combined with luxury handbags, fine jewelry, stylish heels, glasses and professional makeup. The look speaks confidence and grace. Now focus on the men's fashion. The men's outfits mix Ankara with modern fabrics such as velvet, silk and tailored materials. This combination creates a strong and sophisticated look. The clean shoes, fitted trousers and confident posture reflect strength, discipline and modern African excellence. What makes this presentation special is the setting. The red carpet presents achievement, celebration. As the couples work together, it shows unity, balance and shared style. Fashion becomes a statement of partnership, success and cultural pride. This showcase proves that Ankara belongs in elite space. It belongs on red carpet and luxury events and on global fashion platforms. African fashion is not limited, it is powerful, respected and timeless. As you watch, allow yourself to be inspired. These designs are for people who value culture, confidence and quality. They remind us that when tradition meets creativity, the result is elegance. Thank you for watching and welcome to a luxury where African fashion works in luxury.